Mana bugun El Clasico, Real Barsa, bugun Barsa yutadi, xudo xolasa.
Voychande.
Barsa.
Realdachi. Realdachi, haqiqiy Real bolalar o'ynaydi. O'sha bugun Real yutadi.
Barsada-chi, Barsada.
Kim o'ynaydi Barsada?
Bo'pti, xullas kelishamiz. Agar bugun Barsa yutsa Realni, ertaga to'yga Barsani formasida chiqasiz.
Voy, agar Real yutsa, ertaga siz Real formasida to'yga chiqasiz.
Bo'ldi, kelishdingmi?
Davay.
Kuzatib boringlar, o'yinni oxirida qo'yamiz. To'ylar muborak bo'lsin.
Muborak bo'lsin to'ylar.
It's time for this fixture to get underway. They're moving the ball forward. Alvarez driving forward. An expert tackle. He's flicked it forward. A short goal kick there. They've won control of the ball. Volley forward. Just the keeper to beat now. Back off the post. Well timed then. Great defending. What an opportunity. It's Alvarez. This team was expected to win, and it might be a question of how many they score now. Oh, we need to see that goal again. Passed around. He's moving it around. A strong tackle. Alvarez with possession. Oh, it's in. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal. He's taken back possession. Played back to the goalkeeper. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Wins the ball. Alvarez driving forward. Good clearance. He really got behind that. Well read. A careless pass there.